I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Pick a well-reviewed VPN that lists latency and servers. Once chosen, install and grant the minimal permissions it asks for. This lets the app run in background while you play. Make sure to force close Mobile Legends and clear its cache so the connection refreshes. Then open the VPN, sign in, and choose a nearby game-friendly server. This prevents needless routing and keeps ping low. Move to the next step once the VPN shows connected. Now you configure for performance. Select a server close to Mobile Legends region or test one or two alternatives to compare ping. Make sure the VPN uses UDP or the app's game-specific optimization. That reduces packet loss and improves responsiveness. Once set, run the built-in latency test or a third-party ping tool to confirm numbers. After testing, launch a custom match or training game to feel responsiveness. If gameplay is smooth, keep that finish by locking the VPN app in memory or enabling auto-connect so it stays active when you open Mobile Legends. Start the game only after the VPN shows connected. This avoids routing drops. If you still see lag, switch to another nearby server, toggle UDP versus TCP, or restart your device to clear sockets. Those simple fixes often resolve instability. Make sure battery saver and aggressive app killing are off so the VPN runs reliably. That single tweak
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.